Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Leann, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Leann and welcome to my channel. I realized that when I started this channel, I did not really do like a channel intro, so this is it. My channel is mostly beauty and lifestyle, and when I say lifestyle, that is hair tutorials will be involved in that, travel will be involved in that, DIY, and a lot of other fun stuff. I also do some fashion like lookbooks and stuff like that. I do a little bit of everything, as you guys know. If you've seen my older video, I make jewelries, I make shoes, I'm a designer, I make clothes, so all of that will be reflected on my channel. And I also do makeup. I am obsessed with makeup. But for you that are watching, I'm not in the States, I'm not in any of those Western countries, so to get really good makeup products from the popular brands it's really hard here. So basically I use what I have. So if you're like me, I live in Morocco, that is North Africa. So if you're like me and you live in African countries, not most African countries, it's really hard to get like the popular makeup products. So this would be good for you. Or even if you live in the States and you just cannot afford them or whatever. So I'm going to show you budget beauty, like makeup that I get. I do have some American products because I have family living in the States and they do send me some of the stuff sometimes. But you won't see, you'll see reviews. If I do get my hair on some of that, you'll see some makeup reviews on that. But other than that, I'll be using brands that I found here in Morocco, and you can probably get it online, or you can just find a similar product and use it. Okay, so when it comes to hair, I have natural hair, as you can tell, and I do my hair like I did this. It's really old now, but I like when it gets old, it looks a little bit more natural. But I always do my own hair because I like my edges. I don't want anyone ripping them out. So I do my own hair. I do my natural hair. I know how to put in extensions. I know how to jazz this baby up. So we're gonna do that. And also, I'm thinking of starting like a series where I transform wigs and stuff, because I kind of did that the last time and it turned out really bomb, and I did film that for you guys, so you're gonna see that. So I'm gonna be doing that, and I'm also gonna be DIY. I'm gonna be traveling. I do promotion for hotels, so you will get 1 or 2 videos from like my stay at hotels, and maybe I'll even vlog sometimes. But I just wanted to get you guys brain fart. I just wanted to let you guys know like what this is going to be about, this journey. I've been on YouTube since 2014, but I haven't really been taking it seriously. I started trying to be serious in 2016, and last year wasn't just a good year for me, so I kind of stopped filming. So this year I'm going to be really religious about this, and I'm going to give you videos every week. I'll come up with a schedule soon, maybe Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays for videos. So Mondays will probably be, I will do another video where when it's certain. So Monday would be maybe makeup tutorials, and Wednesday would be like hair transformation, whatever I'm doing with my hair for that day, and Friday will be maybe DIY, travel. I can just, I have a lot of stuff to share with you guys, and I do a lot of filming. So Friday will be like a bonus day. You might get a DIY, you might get a lookbook, you might get a travel video, or you might get a vlog. So I hope that sounds interesting for you guys. I know it's really, some people might think it's all over the place, but this is my creative outlet. I just don't want to focus on one thing. It kind of gets boring a little bit, so I wanted my channel to have like a 3-dimensional kind of thing going on. It's just me. That's how I am. I'm usually just doing 100 things at a time, so this is going to be exactly like me. But anyway, thank you guys so much for subscribing. All my Instagram fam that subscribe to my channel, I really want to tell you how much I appreciate that. It means so much to me. I know it's so annoying, like when someone follows me on Instagram, I send them this whole message about how I really appreciate it to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and most people get really annoyed, but the bulk of you weren't, and you guys were really supportive, and I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much. So without further ado, I'm going to end this video here. I just wanted it to be a really short and sweet video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on my next video. Also, if you're new, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit that bell button to notify you whenever I post, because YouTube is on some other level. So please, if you like this face and you want to continue seeing this face, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button to remind you that I exist. With that being said, I'm gonna go. I have school now, and I'll catch you guys later. Love you guys so much. Oh, if you're new here, this is a part of my thing. I'm always using my hands. I'm clapping, I'm pointing or something. So bye.